Buongiorno guys, I am here in Vietri sul Mare on the Amalfi Coast. This is the courtyard of this building that I'm staying in. It is December 8th, 2021. Today is the feast of the Immaculate Conception. That is the conception of the Virgin Mary, okay? Because her birthday is September 8th, so today is her conception, not the conception of Jesus. This is often misconstrued. Anyways, here we are. This is a little courtyard I'm looking down into, and I'm about to go get a coffee and do some shopping for some ingredients for what I'm cooking today. And speaking of the Immaculate Conception, the Virgin Mary herself, there's a beautiful, what I must say is a ancient painting of her right on the steps of my building. See, she, just like the goddesses, the local goddesses of the past before the Christian time, she is has a moon under her feet. Venus had the moon over her head, and you can see these angels around her. Also, the book of Revelation, the last book of the Bible, talks about a woman clothed with the sun and the moon under her feet and a crown of 12 stars on her head. So we're going to see the Virgin Mary in a lot of places with stars on her head and the moon under her feet. And you can also see the serpent. Here we go. Because Mary is seen as the opposite of Eve. Eve disobeyed God and obeyed the serpent. Mary obeyed God and became the mother of Jesus Christ.